So I just want to give you a quick peek around my little work studio here. And it's mid-March almost, and it is snowing like crazy. So this is why I don't do a lot of videos. I'm freezing my ass off most of the time. This is my best friend right here. Mr. Heater, we're homies. Like, we're very close now. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna take this in while I still live here and try to be as creative as I possibly can. I mean, who can't get inspired by this kind of a view in your window every day? It's beautiful. Okay, this is what we're working with today. Here's our cheap Victoria's Secret bra. I'm so happy. I did not pay full price for this. It was 50 bucks or so. I paid like 20. So again, this mesh sucks. It sucks. It sucks. It sucks. It's so paper thin. I wish everyone at home could feel how disappointingly thin inside that is. But we are going to reinforce this cheapo strap because I found in my hoard of scraps of all kinds of random fabric some mesh. Can you see that? Can you see that? That's mesh. It's very soft and it's got this polka dot black thing going on here, and this feels significantly thicker than the mesh used here. This feels thin and like rough. That's what it feels like, and that rough feeling to me makes it a lot more cheap feeling. Okay, so we've got our scissors here, and we've talked about this before. You need to have your fabric scissors and you need to have your paper scissors separate. Put a P, can you see the P? The P on your paper scissors so you don't confuse those with your fabric scissors. Home Depot drafting pencil. And we've got some scraps of fabric, I'm sorry, alphanumeric paper to trace a shape to make this looks so cheap. Make it look a lot better. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and unravel this. Don't really need a whole lot here. So, I'm just gonna take our bra strap, this crappy bra strap here, and lay it out as flat as we can. That's not very flat now, is it? Okay, this might be a complete fucking disaster. Okay, so pencil and this thing we call patience. Okay, this thing we call patience. This thing we call patience. Can Princess do it? I don't know. Why did I do that? So no, what we're doing is we're just tracing this mesh part out. This mesh shape, right? It's that thing called patience. Oh my god, I'm fucking this up, you guys. Alright. And then I'm just gonna like trace around the cup right here. So this is what I've come up with, you guys. Wow. This is patience on a fucking roll here. All right. Okay, dokie. I'm gonna trace that in red so you can see it. Okay, I traced it with red tailoring chalk. Probably not the best choice, but I don't care. I just need to see it, cut it out, and figure this out. So I'm gonna slice this out, and then we're gonna use this, and we're gonna fix this bra. Okay, so this is what needs to happen. Needs to happen. I am going to stitch this with the zigzag stitch. Actually, that's the wrong way. Hang on a second, sorry. Oh, there we go. See? So I am going to stitch a zigzag stitch just along here, and along here. But I am not, I don't think I need to stitch here because I can't stitch into this like wire, obviously. So, I mean, at best I could do a zigzag stitch here if I needed to, but I don't think I will. And then once you flip that over, you'll see like that polka dot, but barely, and I think that'll look really cool. I think this is gonna totally work and make this way less cheap. Yep. Alright, so I went ahead and just pinned this. And I'm gonna go ahead and start sewing it. Alright, I finished one strap. So this is the outside. And this is the inside. But, I mean, wow. From the outside, it looks like really nice. Like, look at that. And it feels way more secure, like way more high quality. This is such a good idea. Okay, it's all done. Look at that. I just need to trim that. Here's the other strap. And then from the inside. Cute. I ended up sewing that down and these edges, and that really did help. And sewing with this fabric was super tricky, so pinning it down big time helps. So definitely make sure you pin it down. It feels way more secure just already. It looks more secure too. Well, I hope that helps. If you have a crappy made Victoria's Secret bra, you can fix it.